y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of today's video, we're doing another shop through walk with me. It's been a minute since I've been into Dollar Tree, so I want to see what they are giving for the fall Christmas season. Yeah, so we're gonna go to Dollar Tree and see what the vibes are there. So if you're interested in seeing what we have at Dollar Tree for the new holiday season, then keep on watching. Alright, so right when you walk in, they have some wrapping paper out. They still have some of these like foam pumpkins, white and orange. Those are cute for like craft pumpkins. Then they have these like tabletop Christmas trees that were super cute. They have them in white and green. So basically just small enough for like your tabletop, like a desk or a dining room table. So those were super cute. And coming over here, they have a lot of their gift wrap and things like that out. Looks like they have a section with all the gloves and things like that. They had these bandanas, these Halloween bandanas. I thought these were super cute. 2-pack. I believe these were $1.25. And then they had the like trick-or-treat bags for trick-or-treating. And they had those. And those were $1.25 too. Of course, they have all of the fuzzy socks out in all different types of designs, winter hats and things like that too. And then they have a lot of Christmas decor with the different color bows, and they have a lot of different garland colors in stock as well. They have a ton of stockings in stock. That Santa Claus face was really cute. They have a lot of crafts this year. I don't remember seeing like this many crafts in Dollar Tree before, so super cute. A lot of fun different arts and crafts things and signs and different decor. Thought these serving dishes were really cute. The Christmas tree, and then they had the candy. And then some nutcrackers over there. And again, some more arts and crafts like these ribbon and the paper stars and paper Santa Clauses. Those were really cute. They also have these DIY ornaments. I remember making these in school. I remember I broke my ornament like 3 times before I finally was able to get one right so that I could bring it home to actually make it on the tree. But these little tabletop Christmas tree decorations, those are cute too. And they also have these 4-foot trees. This is the Dollar Tree Plus 4-foot trees. They were $5. And then they have the wreaths, different colors and variations of the wreath. I thought this one was really pretty, really festive. They had a lot of Day of the Dead, different items available as well. These wine glasses were so cute. I like the flute and then the glass. Then they also had the Day of the Dead tumblers. So those were cute. And then moving over to the yarn, they had a lot of different colors. I forgot they had this section because I said I wanted to get back into either crocheting or knitting. Some like busy work to keep my hands busy. So definitely gonna check out this section when I get back into that. I was really surprised by this section. They have like all of the iPhone like 14 Pro Max cases in different little styles. I was very surprised. And some cute cases too. They were really cute. So I was very surprised by those. These were actually still $1. These jumbo candy canes were really cute. This was Dollar Tree Plus, so these were $5 and they were 4 feet tall. So definitely nice for decoration, like outside or inside even. Then here they had some more tumbler cups. They have the smaller versions. I like this little ombre color. These were $5. They also have this multi-pack of ornaments. They have the traditional gold, green, and red, and then this green, purple, looks like a baby blue, and then pink and white. And this was a pack of 30, and I believe these were $5. They have the traditional gingerbread houses, this Jelly Belly one, and then a Mike and Ike's. I don't think I've ever seen a Mike and Ike's one, so that was cute. And then they have this little pink flamingo caught my eye, and the Santa Claus. And then they had these nutcrackers in different styles and colors, and those were $5. They also have these inflatable characters, like this Sesame Street one with Elmo. That was $5. And more decorations. This glitter reindeer was so cute. Silver, and then it had a gold one. So those were $5 as well. And then some Mary decorations. I think these, I want to say they were napkin holders. I'm not for certain because I didn't grab it. But I think they're napkin holders. Those were really cute. And some mugs as well down there. And then they had these like faux fir trees. This is again a more so tabletop decoration, but these were really cute, different to have a faux fir tree. If you're entertaining this holiday season, definitely these were cute for any like Christmas parties or anything like that, where you can put your drinks in those Christmas trees. Those are cute. And to match the faux fur tree, they have this faux fur wreath as well, so it goes with that. So they have it in this gold with the gold tinsel, and then they have one with the silver tinsel. So then I had to make my way over here to the food section because they have my steamed dumplings over here. And so I had to go and grab me a couple of those. And then as I was leaving, I was looking at these drinks. These drinks are so good, especially this blue lemonade one. Definitely got to try it, y'all. It's so good. And the strawberry lemonade one, I don't think I've had that one yet, but this blue lemonade one is busting, y'all. Then I had to make sure I got my favorite barbecue chips. These are the best barbecue chips you will ever have. I promise y'all. Listen, I don't steer y'all wrong when it comes to food. I'm telling y'all. If you see these baby back rib chips at the Dollar Tree, get you some. I'm getting 2 bags. And then on the way out, I seen these wrap snacks drinks. I never knew they had the drinks version of the wrap snacks, and then these Welch's drinks as well. Never seen these either. But y'all, that is it for this walkthrough shop with me of Dollar Tree. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on my next one. Bye, y'all.